We're doing a cabin filter in a 2022 4Runner. This applies to 2010 all the way to 2024. Go to your glove box, remove this door. Just push down on the tab and the door will come right off. Press this in, pull towards you. Press this in, pull towards you. Pull this off. Woo, this one looks pretty nasty. Alright. Pull that out. We get our new one that has an arrow on it for airflow. It's going to be down. Pop it right in here. Super duper easy on the 4Runner. If you need a air filter, check the description box. I'll have a link to Amazon where you can get one. See, it's a little messed up on this side. Snap that back on here like that. Super duper easy. Not anybody can do this. Snap that back on and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. And be kind and subscribe.